Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to do a list in Trello. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, go down until you see your recently viewed boards and pick one board that you want. So I want this board, and now in order to do a list, you have to add a list right here. So click on this add button and enter list name. So my list will be named list number 1, and then simply click on add a list. Now you have created a list and you can add a card, which is basically a task in to-do list. So task 1, click add card, enter the title of the task 2 and add a card. And now as you can see, you have a to-do list inside a Trello. If this task is completed, mark it as completed by clicking this icon, and it is really simple. If you want to delete it, just click right here on archive card and it will disappear. You can also delete this whole list if you want, so click on archive this list. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.